Hello everyone, Aylar here, and I study at the University of Kansas in the US, and today I would like to tell you more about social aspects of studying in the US. There are different clubs that get together on campus. That is one of the greatest ways to make friends, like here it's the Russian club that I was a part of. Then there are other events in the community that you can also join. For example, the neighboring town to Lawrence invited us international students to visit them. Or there's also a program where you can get dinners with local families, you get together with different international students, and you just share a meal. There's always something to do in the US, in most towns in the US. For example, here you can see me visiting a Mongolian grill place where you get to try some Mongolian food. Here they perform it as a buffet, so you would get your toppings, you would add your sauces, and once you're done with it, you put it all in a little bowl, and then you put your sauce on it, and then you take that bowl to the cook, and they cook it for you right in front of you. There are different toppings you can also add, and this is what my bowl looked like. So here is my friend and I just enjoying our meals, and this was my second plate. And here you can see the interior of the place. It is fairly easy to make friends in the US because most people are very eager to meet international students. So my friend really enjoys learning about Turkmenistan and I get to learn about her. And we went to a plant shop together to buy different plants for our apartments. It's also great to share parts of your culture, so I took my friend Rochelle to a European grocery store where you can buy a lot of Russian goods as well as Polish or Azerbaijani or Armenian. So essentially I could introduce my friends to where I come from in an essence because this is what I grew up with. So on this picture you can see my friend Rochelle and I just enjoying our ice cream. And then I also taught her how to make mante, which is the Turkmen dumplings. So it was just really nice to get together with friends and share my culture, and they enjoy learning about it as well. The university also likes to entertain its students, so the University of Kansas puts together different events. This particular one is Late Night in the Fog, the unofficial opening season for KU's basketball team. And every year they bring an artist. This year they brought Run DMC, who performed at Allen Fieldhouse, which is our basketball's field. All in all, universities in the US provide you ample opportunities to socialize and have a good time. And I strongly recommend that whenever you come here and start your education, you take advantage of these events and meet new people, share your culture, and have a good time.